Hello everyone, this is Satanas with LegalTrek. As you probably already suspect, when I start from the settings page, I'm going to show you a new setting that we have. And this time it's in billing settings. And in general section, you can find this mandatory charge type. When this is selected, selecting a mandatory charge type for a billing that's being added becomes mandatory for your employees. Well, for those of our clients, and there are a few, who use the charge types and invoice based on their charge types, this setting is going to be very useful. Let me quickly remind you what the charge types are. They are in number 7 of billing settings, billing types. Essentially, you can add several of your types for work, regardless of whether it's administrative work, letters, or you have some other kind of division of your work. You know that when you add a new time entry, it gets selected from the charge type dropdown. Previously, this wasn't mandatory. Now, with this setting, you can see the star. When the setting is enabled, it becomes mandatory. So you can ensure that all of your team members never forget to add the charge type if using charge types is something that you do in your company and you would like to have as a statistic and as a mean for billing and invoicing. I hope this setting is going to be useful, and thank you.